Hello guys, welcome to our new video tutorial series, and in this video we will discuss about how we gonna use the CI/CD automation with AWS Code Pipeline and Code Build. So this is the continuation series of AWS Developer Associate exam, and in this video we will discuss about how we gonna implement the CI/CD implementation. So I did some basic, you know, CI/CD and other cloud formation on my previous video. If you wanna see, you can just look around my previous videos and then continue this series. So, what is CI/CD? So CI/CD automates how developer build, test, and deploy application. Continuous integration means merging code frequently and automatically testing it. So continuous development means automatically pushing changes to production once test pass. Okay. So these are the terms of CI, which is continuous integration, and CD is continuous deployment. Okay, so our goal is to faster delivery and fewer bugs. Okay, so these are the tools of AWS CI/CD. Also, like why we use CI/CD, it helps team deliver updates faster with fewer bugs. Instead of deploying manually, AWS CI/CD service handle everything from code commit to production release. Okay. Also, like the main AWS CI/CD tools are code commit for source control and code build for compiling and testing code. So code deploy for deployment automation, and code pipeline for the whole workflow. And we're gonna deep dive in the code pipeline. So code pipeline is basically is a service that automates build, test, and deploy stages every time code changes. It's like a convoy belt that moves your code from source to production. So these are stages in the pipeline. If you wanna go further deep into the deep dive, so you will see a typical pipeline has stages like source, code commit. Like in GitHub, we have build and then test and then deploy. So code deploy or elastic beanstalk. Each stage performs a specific task in sequence. Also, I will create a code pipeline with code commit as a source and code build as a build stage, and then deploy it to stage 3 of S3. Okay, S3 bucket. And I will show you how commits automatically trigger the pipeline in my next video. So code pipeline connects all the parts of CI/CD flow together, ensuring every change is automatically tested and deployed. Okay. Also, like as you know, code build. We have this code build over here, and we're gonna do the hands-on training on the code build. So code build basically compiles our source code, run test, and produce ready to deploy artifacts. You don't need to manage servers. AWS handle that build environment for you. So we have one file which is buildspec.yml file. You have heard about this file if you ever deploy anything on the GitHub. So this is a code build as a uses file called buildspec.yml to define build commands and phase like install, pre-build, build, and post-build, like a recipe for how you're gonna build your app. So usually in this file we have some configuration about our Docker file as well. So I will make a demo how we're gonna connect code build to my Git repository, and then show you how Git code build automates compile and packages the code as well. So if you're gonna see how we're gonna do the CI/CD pipeline integration on AWS, also how we're gonna use our GitHub repository to make it automatic using code pipeline. So just stay tuned for the next video, and in my next video we will do a short demo how we gonna implement this on our AWS. We already have the AWS, in my previous video we make IAM users, S3 buckets. We do how we're gonna do the automation of our, how we're gonna live our website through cloud formation. So just stay tuned for the next videos, and just like, subscribe, and share our YouTube channel. Thank you.